This is our RFID one-card solution demo alarm system. Two ways about this system. First way, 433 MHC. Here has including 4 parts: gas detector, smoking detector, magnetic detector, infrared detector. I will select one, take an example. First, open the gas smoking detector, and it will send a signal to the GSM module by wireless way. And the GSM module will send signal to the SIM card. Send a short message. First way. Okay. And later I introduce the second way about Shenzhen Jutai RFID one-card solution. Here has including 2 ways. First way, by hand. If you press the button, it will alarm, and also send a signal to the GSM module, and the GSM module will send signal to the SIM card. The short message will be received. Another way is use our RFID smart tag. Press the alarm button. Okay, it will activate the alarm, and it will send the signal to the GSM module, and the GSM module will send the signal to the SIM card. The short message will be received. Okay, this is the